In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop. If you find the tutorial helpful, make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Fortnite is an incredibly fun game, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up a web browser and head to your favorite search engine. If you didn't already know, Fortnite is developed and managed by Epic Games, so we'll need to get the Epic Games launcher to download it. Just type Epic Games into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the Epic Games Store link and click on it. Once you're there, go to the top right corner and click on the download button to start downloading the launcher. Now, before we proceed further, it's a good idea to create an Epic Games account, as this will also serve as your Fortnite account. So in the top right corner, click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can scroll down and click on Create Account. If you already have one, just log in. Once your Epic account is set up, go ahead and open your File Explorer, then go to your Downloads folder. You should see the Epic installer file there. Just double click it to begin the installation process. Click Install when prompted, and if a Windows security pop-up appears, allow it. Next, the Epic Games launcher will begin downloading and setting itself up. This part doesn't require much. Just sit back and let it finish. When another security prompt pops up, simply approve it. Once done, the Epic Games launcher will open automatically. Now go ahead and sign in using the Epic account you just created. After logging in, click on Store from the sidebar on the left. Then go to the top search bar, type in Fortnite, and select it from the results. On the Fortnite page, scroll down and click Get Over on the right. It will say loading your order, but don't worry. It's completely free. Just hit place order in the bottom right corner, making sure to agree to the terms. A small pop-up will appear. Click on View in Library. Now scroll through your library and you should see Fortnite listed. Click on it and you'll get the option to choose the installation location. You can also select whether you want auto updates and a desktop shortcut. Once that's set, click Install, check the box to confirm you've read and agreed to the terms, and then press Accept. The installation will now begin. You can monitor the progress by clicking on Downloads at the bottom left. The file is around 80 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. After it finishes downloading and installing, the game will be ready to go. Just head back to your library from the left-hand menu, find Fortnite, and click Play. That's it. It's super simple.